Hey YouTube, we're back. Today we're doing a little welding. You're going to be with me welding up these pedals here. As you can see in my hands, yeah, I got to tack it over here first. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we'll come over there. Alright, YouTube. That's good. Now we're about to clamp it back onto the frame. Okay, she's on. Alright, she's a little warm too. No gloves to work with it, you know. God, man. A little bit warm. I guess I'd put it right there. Right there. Alright, I'm gonna have to get a clamp or something to grab that. That shit is just too hot. Alright, here we go. Let's get this bitch. Sorry, I have to get this fucking. As y'all can see, I'm having a lot of trouble. Okay, guys, it's in there. Stacked. We're gonna weld around it too. This side. That's enough. we're building a scrap go-kart, for God's sakes, you know. So, might as well build the rest of this pedal up. Probably do it from this side. Situated. Okay. Wasn't too pretty, but it's a break. Yeah. It's not a structural weld, but it's gonna be on there. It's gonna be on there. Okay. Now let's do the other one. Right here. Even though this fucker is single pass.
Doesn't fucking matter.
Whatever. That does it.
That does it?
That should be good enough, I guess. I ain't gotta be fucking perfect. Which I am gonna put a support beam going from here under this shit, all this shit. Way it'll hold a lot better. And probably between these, I have another one of these white things welded in place, cut out for the steering right here. And this will be up here for the gas pedal. I mean, I don't really see a problem with all what's going on here. I guess it should work good, you know. But other than that, this is another thing that we've welded so far, which is, yes, it is. It's a fucking bike handlebar off of a little bike. I mean, the wheels ain't looking too great, guys, but this is my first time really welding with the MIG welder. Like this whole project, other than what I've practiced. Yeah. Tried practicing anyway. And, I mean, so far it's holding together. Y'all see it's not breaking. I just slammed it down. I mean, I'll probably have a video where y'all see me dragging this thing through the yard with the four-wheeler and see what it does, see if it actually falls apart or stays together. That'll be another video though. But other than that, this thing right here needs to get put in place. It needs to be welded. That's what I got going on here for the seat part. It's literally a bolt welded into place, and I've slammed my back on it, and it don't fall or anything. And right here is the actual frame of the generator that I was talking about. I don't know if y'all watched my first video on this thing or not, but since then it has actually gone pretty damn far, you know. I mean, we still got a little ways to go from the front tires, the back tires, steering wheel, and the spin, all that shit. The what else we got? We gotta hook up. Yeah, we gotta hook up the back axle. Thinking about just putting 2 dead axles. I don't know. Get some money saved up and put a live axle in it. Chomp all the other stuff out. We'll see though. We'll see which way it takes us. Other than that though, I mean it's pretty ugly, but for a scrap go-kart that I've just putting together with pieces of metal, you know, it ain't that bad. Here's the seat belt, the new seat belt that I have installed. As y'all can see, it's a ratchet strap, just a simple ratchet strap. This part right here lays against your chest. That way it won't dig into your skin and shit right here on that side, because that would hurt like a motherfucker. Other than that though, I think that's it. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be throwing in there. This big old 10 horse. I don't know what I'm going to do about this shaft here. Y'all can probably guide me with that if y'all want. Maybe give me a comment on what I should do about this. Maybe I should weld a sprocket like I got going on there, or a clutch straight onto this axle here. I don't know, but this is a 10 horse Briggs, came off the generator. It's gonna be slapped on this side right here. That's about all I can do it with. Or if I had a live axle, I could put it in the middle, weld up a plate in the middle. But like I said, we'll see where it goes. See where this whole project ends up. Yep. Well, back to welding, guys. I just figured I'd give y'all a detailed look if y'all haven't seen everything that's going on with this whole cart. But yeah, we're gonna weld this pedal in place. I gotta turn the amperage up a little bit. Pull the wire feed speed. Oh, damn, dude. This shitty welder. Which, I mean, it ain't that bad. For $114, that's including shipping. I mean, doesn't seem to do that bad of a job, but I feel like there's something missing, you know? I mean, I could be just going crazy, because I don't know, I've never used a MIG welder non-gas, you know, I've never used anything like this. I mean, I've done a little bit of stick in the past, but that's about it. Anyways, let's do this weld. Oh, shit. God, man. Fuck. Okay. I was having a lot of trouble there. Get the thing to stick. Okay, that's a lot better. It's getting to be that. I'll have to throw some wool on that.
It's actually breaking through now. It wasn't breaking through earlier, but now it is.
I'll just go with the weld. We'll go over it. Yeah, what was happening just there was it was on too low of a voltage, and since it's thick, I didn't turn it up all the way like I was supposed to, but now it should be fine. Okay, guys. There's that. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. I should invest in a drill to put that on, or some sort of cut-off tool. But you know what? I ain't got the money to do that. So you gotta work with what you got. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put some damn wool on that. That's just too sticky. That's just way too sticky. Let's work this thing. Okay. There we go. Now I'm sitting in this fucking thing. Damn hand off. That's about how it's going to be with my seatbelt on. Which ain't bad. Fuck the environment. Give me something. Yeah, this will be better. This bottle cap. Let's see if we can put it like that. Bitch is hot. That bitch is hot. Hotter than a motherfucker. Shit. As y'all can see, these things are going to be probably hooked up like that, at an angle like that, because your feet are going to be resting like this. And that'd probably be past the full throttle or something, you know. Just keep it like that. Or like that. Don't have this one up here too like that. Bad. Oh fuck. The bitch is hot still. Just trying to pull that damn hinge. I don't want it to rust and stick. I've spilled enough oil on the environment. Isn't that right, guys? Alright. Next thing that happened, since I can't put the engine up there right now, because I gotta wait to see what kind of tires I'm gonna get. But I could probably put the front spindle up there, that way I can probably mount it like right here, or probably back here somewhere. Same on the other side. And this barring, I don't know if y'all saw, but my head came about even with those two bars right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld off these two bars, and then weld up probably just a tad, and come this way, and then we'll weld it to these front bars right here, make it a little more stable, and so if this thing rolls, I won't hit my head. Yeah. Other than that, we'll see you later, YouTube, because I'm probably gonna weld a little more on this, and I'll make another video that y'all can see. I'm running out of time on my camera, so alright guys.